Welcome to the future of urban living. Welcome to The Wave by Raghava, shaping up right here in the growth corridor of Kollur. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. I'm Alfred from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. The construction work at Wave is progressing at a brisk pace, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 3rd September 2025. The Wave project comprises of 4 towers and each tower has 2 level basements. In Tower 1, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 20th floor are 100% completed. In Tower 2, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 20th floor are 100% completed. In Tower 3, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 17th floor are 100% completed. The 18th floor works are in progress. In Tower 4, 2 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The 1st floor to 6th floor works are 100% completed. The 7th floor works are in progress. The clubhouse excavation works are in progress. We at Raghava ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and give you regular monthly insights of Wave project progress.